All right, guys, got a 99 Toyota Avalon here. If you got a Toyota Camry or Avalon and you need to replace this door handle, okay, this is what this baby look like. So this is the door handle. It has 2 bolts right there for this lock here, this guy right here. And then the handle itself has 2 more bolts. And then we're gonna have this little guy right here. This is where our cable is gonna go. And a few more things inside. Let's see. Let me give you guys a part number here. So when I got this doorman, this is almost like 70 bucks. I bought it here, local store. Okay, it wasn't cheap. Let me not throw that box because you don't know. You might be wrong. Anyways, what we're gonna do here is, let's open this guy up. What we're gonna do here is, let's pull out this key. We're gonna remove this. We're gonna pop this guy right here. Inside is not gonna be so pretty because this is just a retainer, so just pull it. Try to go as not straight, but a little bit towards this way, and it will come right off. And if you have any screws in here, nope. Okay, so usually they do have it here, so I'll check that up on my computer. So we're gonna pop this guy. There's gotta be a screw in there. We're gonna try to pop this off. We're gonna try to pop these 2 off, and there's something down here. There's one over here. There's one over here. So there's a whole bunch of stuff here. We're gonna remove it all. Okay, so what we got here is, let's pop this guy off. This car's never been touched, so it's original stuff here. So take it easy. Flathead screwdriver will do the job there. Or a fork like this is made by Snap-on. Hardware Freight sells some stuff. Okay. You see these little marks? Don't worry, that's just little stuff on it. So let's put these to the side. So we got that baby off. Let's see if we get this guy off. It's gonna be a long little guy here, like a clip looking. And we got a Phillips in there. So let's go get Phillip head, Phillip also. So all these are Phillips. Or you can put a number 8, I believe, here. But we're not gonna do that. Okay, so what the hell did I just do here? So I had to go get me a Phillip head. Okay, we're back, and we're gonna take out this panel here. This 1 screw. That's the problem when you have 1 hand, 1 at a time. Let's go down here. Let them fall. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Come here. And then you don't need to have a drill. So if you have a long screwdriver, you could just use that because my drill isn't gonna help me here unless I get extension. Okay, so here comes this baby. I'm sure that handle has to come out before we pull the panel off. So we do have a tweeter on as well. So tweeter here. Okay, it's loose. It's gonna fall out once we move everything. It's changing here, I think. Something's in here. Okay, it's changing here. It's all right. Anyways, we're gonna go a little bit more further. So we missed the 1 little guy here on this side right here. All you're gonna do is push this in. Usually they go in. Let me just hit this a little bit. Okay, there you go. Push it in. Yeah, it's like a clip that's the other way around. To put it in, you need to push it all out. Okay, you need to push it out like that. Stick it in, and then close it up once it's in there. To take it out, you push it in. So that stays there. So I think I'm missing a few things to take off this panel, something to do with this. So I'm trying to figure that out. My computer doesn't show me. I haven't done one. Usually this thing will pop up, but this is like it's built-in stuff. So there's nothing in here. I'll figure this guy out. No worries. Okay, so my computer, all that wouldn't help me. But what I did here so far was I just grabbed it from one side and I yanked it. So just a little retainers there. So try to go easy on it, and got something stuck on this side here, which might be something on the inside here. And we got our tweeter here. Okay, there you go. The clip. There's something I could do with that clip right there, but something that just comes out of here. So this thing just goes right back in here. So that's the clip. So you want to yank it really hard. And guess what? We got a Phillip head or number 10 right here. So let's just stick with our Phillip. So this guy comes out. And this door handle needs to come out next, or the whole panel comes with it. Okay, now the door. Okay, that stays behind. I believe that just stays behind. All that stuff stays behind. Okay, we also need to look in here. Me going back to the 10 years back. I used to do a lot of these years back. So I'm gonna change here. Okay, that's that. I do want to see if there's anything here. There shouldn't be nothing here because we did take off a big screw right here. Anyway, so I'm sure this guy, okay, I'm sure this guy comes off as well. And I'm gonna play around with it a bit, see what it does. Okay, new cars are all different, so don't even take that one off. Even though I took it off, but if you want to take it off, you can take it off. Pop this guy open. Just grabbed it from right here and lifted it up, and then you should be able to get it off. So it's only held in by this little guy, and there should be. So start off from this side, okay? Do that. And what we're gonna do here is the harness is very small, so let's remove this guy here. Okay, so I'm gonna have this off. Once I have this off, our switches just come on. So the switch is off. All you need to do is squeeze this guy, and it comes off. Let this thing sit here. There's the guy that's been holding me up. Okay, it's probably look like it's gonna fall inside. We don't want that. Okay. Alright, so all you need to take this off. You don't need to take out the handle, and after that, your door panel is out of the way. You do have a small little light down there, which you want to disconnect. So you squeeze and pull it off. There you go. And now you're not gonna kill the battery, and our door panel is off. That's how you're gonna remove the door panel. And I need to change the. Okay, so I need to change that door handle. The door handle has to come off. Okay, this screw came out as well. The door handle is always in trouble. So the glass gotta go up. We're gonna have to put the switch on and make the glass go up. Okay, boys and girls, so from right here, as you guys can see that yellow looking, green looking, that little guy right there, remove that. 10 millimeter over here, and 10 millimeter, you can see it from right over here. So take off that little guy right here. There's two on the sensor there, so take off that sensor for a door lock, whatever you want to call it, a door lock. The cylinder, there you go, you can see it better. And there should be one more 10 millimeter somewhere. Figure that one out. But anyway, guys, you guys are not gonna see it in there, so that's what it is in there. So I'm beginning from right here. I'm trying to capture the all the way to the side. That's the first bolt that I want to get it off, and then I'm gonna get the one next to it, and then the one over here, and then I'll see if I could get that blue yellow looking clip. So to get that clip out, I'm gonna use this fork right here. That's what this baby look like. A pick, and I got it right on the neck of that baby, right there. You see that? And there you go. This baby should